Hi there guys, welcome to our fresh new video. You're looking at a knife. It's a knife specifically being designed for chopping up. Why handy and very well designed and truly a sharp knife. But most of the time when you have knives in your kitchen, turn out to be useless one after a why is it they don't kind of really cut properly. And if you have a blunt knife that is kind of asking for a trouble, you intend to end up injuring yourself or struggling and you're stressing, and that takes up the joy. Preparation of food or kitchen work. So here it is, a masterpiece of craftsmanship. If you look at it, it's not bad of a little knife actually. Solid piece of work. So basically what you do, you pick it up and start chopping up instantly without a little struggling. And here we are kind of unboxing it and making you realize if you are thinking, do you get a knife for yourself or a kitchen gift for someone who is into cooking? Wanna read next Gordon Ramsay, then be my guest, buy this one for them. You would not be disappointed. Looks promising. So, just trying to risk a chop of everything, whatever it is coming to cost. So, rebuy one and show you that that's how it actually in reality looks, and that's what you're gonna get. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like the video. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next one.